Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we will learn the definition of rhyming words and we will see some examples of rhyming words. So let's start. First of all, definition of rhyming words. Rhyming words are the words that have same or similar ending sounds. Rhyming words are often used in poetry, songs, and other forms of creative sounds. Some rhyming words are cat, bat, hat, sit, bit, hit, fox, box, socks, get, wet, set, bite, night, flight, day, say, way, cup, hup, sup, tap, map, nap, bake, make, wake, feed, meet, cheat, apple, apple, dapple, grapple, sing, ring, king, snow, blow, grow, tower, shower, cover, nest, vest, test, rock, clock, lock, bear, wear, care, home, rom, dome, bank, rank, tank, angle, tangle, mangle, cuddle, juggle, pedal, art, cart, part, bar, car, far, jump, bump, lump, oil, coil, foil. Thanks for watching.